If you're considering remodeling your kitchen but don't know what to do with your cabinets, you should consider this. Hi, my name is Derek Wood and I'm a project developer with Mountainwood Homes. One of the most common questions I get when I go into people's homes is whether or not they should keep their existing cabinets or they should take them out and replace with all new custom cabinets. Some things to consider that I always talk about with clients when it comes to making that decision about whether or not we should keep their existing cabinets or replace with new. First of all is the structural integrity of the existing cabinets. Do they work well? Do the cabinets open? Do the drawers close? Is the hardware in good shape? If so, then we can consider just keeping those existing cabinets and painting them, giving them a really nice refresh. If they're starting to fall apart, then we really should strongly consider taking them out and putting in new cabinets, because it's a big investment to go in, even just refacing or repainting your cabinets. Now, if your cabinets are in good shape, then I start to talk about and look with the client on the layout of their existing kitchen. Does the layout work for their existing lifestyle? Are the appliances in the locations that they want them to be? If you want to move any of those appliances around, or you like some drawers in some specific locations or doors in another location, then custom cabinet layout is the way to go. And we should start exploring with you what it's going to take out your existing cabinets and replace with new ones. When considering keeping your existing layout or updating to a new custom cabinetry layout, there's some of the advantages that we always like to talk through with our clients. One of them is things like being able to have these really nice utensil pullouts. You can put some of these custom features into your kitchen that may not be available to you with your existing cabinets. There's things like appliance garages where we can pull these out and you can hide in some of those commonly used appliances, but now they're easy to access. And then there's also over here where we can do something like a trash can pullout, where instead of putting them under the sink, we can fit actually 2 trash cans in here and fit your trash and your recycling in one location. There's other things like spice racks that we can put in, tilt racks, and then some of the corner optimizers and some of the things like that. So part of the custom layout and custom cabinet design part of working with Mountainwood is that you get to finalize some of these selections when it comes to door hardwares, like some of these poles. We've got some custom different poles that you can use. You can also use some of the metal grating that can come in with some of the different cabinetry. The constant that we always have in all of our Mountainwood cabinets is that we're going to have soft close doors and soft close drawer glides. So no matter how mad you get, when you go to slam the door, it's going to softly close behind you. And when it comes to refacing cabinets, it's an exercise that we've gone through with multiple clients in the past. And generally what we find is that from a cost perspective, it comes out costing a very similar amount to what it would be for us to be able to take out your cabinets and put new custom cabinets in to get in all new. And what that does for you is now you have all new boxes with all new door hardware, all new drawer hardware, and now you don't have to worry about the longevity of your cabinetry, and you know that it's going to work for you and for your family for years to come. As opposed to when we just take off the faces of all the doors and the drawers, then we're still stuck with the same hardware and the potential for the boxes failing later on. And then you don't get the updated look throughout the entire kitchen, the cohesive look throughout your home. So it's something that we're willing to always explore with clients, but generally what we've found is that once we put down those costs in front of them, they decide that it's worth the little bit more investment into their home to get new cabinets. So one of the common questions we get with when I'm meeting with clients in their home is they're curious about painting their cabinets versus actually just taking out the cabinets and putting all new in. There's a couple considerations there. 1 is budget, 2 is the existing layout of the kitchen, and then 3 is the existing cabinetry and what kind of shape the current cabinets are in. When it comes to budget, that can be a big cost saver, leaving the existing cabinets in and just painting the new ones. Because as part of that process, we are still going to replace all the knobs and all the pulls for your current cabinets. And then you have the opportunity to work with an interior designer and come up with a color palette that works really well for your home, that really fits your aesthetic. Then when it comes to the layout, as long as you're comfortable and you like where your appliances are sitting, you like where the drawers are in your kitchen and the doors are, then it's a great option for being able to refresh your space and really transform your kitchen as you walk in without having to go through all of the expense of ripping out existing cabinetry and putting all new in. Main points that I always talk through with clients there. One of them is just the longevity of your home. If you're planning on being in your home for 5, 10 plus years, then replacing the cabinets can be a great option because now you know that the cabinet boxes are well built, they're quality construction with high quality materials, and that they're gonna last well past the time that you plan on being inside of your home. It also brings in the option of being able to completely update the layout to work for you. So when you turn around and are looking for the silverware, it's exactly where you expect it to be. You get to be a huge part of that process as you work with your interior designer and with our cabinet designer. It allows you to accommodate things like aging in place. We can make sure that cabinets, either we have specific cabinet heights or we have locations of specific items that we need for aging in place. And then from a resale perspective, it's always great to be able to put on there that you have high quality, all wood construction, custom cabinets installed in your kitchen, and that you worked with a professional design build firm to remodel your entire kitchen. If you're looking to remodel your kitchen and you don't know where to start, then reach out to Mountainwood Homes. We're a full service design and build remodel firm, and we'd love to be able to help you out, taking you from start to finish. For more videos like this, please subscribe to all of our social media links. We'd love to be able to hear from you more. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.